Hello everybody, welcome to IT Skills channel. In today's video, it's all about taking a look at the following task, which is on the last video, if you were not remembering, we went to Microsoft Purview portal, we went to settings, we went to device onboarding and then devices, and we were able to onboard devices, turn on the device onboarding tab, and that was able to turn it on. But the fact is, it hasn't been 30 minutes, but you can see it's starting to show up some data, but it's not ready yet. By any means, it's not ready. And you can see here to turn off device monitoring. So we don't have to do anything like that. So now what we're gonna do is actually onboard a device to this, so that way it will work. So on the device, click on onboarding here, onboarding device, and then click on onboarding. We have option to onboard over here. So we want to check the OS. It says you can see it's default to Windows 10 or Mac OS. So regardless, that's fine. And you can see over here you got a method. You can do it to machine local script, group policy, endpoint manager, mobile device management slash Intune, VDI onboarding script for non-persistent devices. You got so many things, right? So for the purpose of this, we want to do the local onboarding script. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's go ahead and download this for Windows 11. Even though it says Windows 10, it will work for Windows 11. So let's click on download the package. So the package is going to download as a zip file like this. And then we're going to actually open up where the file is located. And we want to right click this file, properties. Actually, let's go back here on the downloads. Right click, we can extract, we can do other things, or we can just come over here. We need to unblock the script from being run, so otherwise it will not run that properly. So we need to unblock that. And then since we did that, now we can actually get closer to it. So we can actually right click, run as administrator, and go from there. But before we do that, let me actually extract this file. We're gonna just put it here, right click, verify that it's unblocked. Yep, it is. Right click, run as administrator. By doing this, the device will be showing up over here. The device, just to make sure that you understand what device we're dealing with, you got this is the device we're gonna have. If I just do host name, host name, you're gonna see the device name. So that's the device name. It's gonna say base 2022C. So that is a device name that should show up whenever I right click and run the script. So let's do run as administrator and then hit yes. It's gonna say it's gonna do is you run the script, it's gonna take up to 30. So it gives you information. Once this is complete, the machine should light up in the general portal within the portal within 5 to 30 minutes, depending on the machine and the connectivity. So basically, wait at least 5 minutes or 30 minutes if you depending on your connectivity, and hit yes, and that's gonna start onboarding it. If it's an issue, it will tell you. If it's success, it will tell you. So you can see it says here, starting the services. All right, and it's waiting for the service to start. It's started successfully, which means it successfully onboarded the machine to Defender for Endpoint. Simple as that. So there you go. So the machine is onboarded. Now, like I said here, you have to wait for it to show up, or you can come back another time. For this video though, we're done. We're showing you how to onboard the device. Now it said 5 to 30 minutes, and I don't want to wait that long, so let's verify it. Maybe it does show up quickly. Let's click on devices. It didn't show up anything yet. Like I said, it's gonna take at least 30 minutes, and we have not waited that long, so we need to be patient. I'm refreshing it right now because I'm trying to make this video within 5 to 10 minutes, so that's why we're doing this. I don't think it's ready yet. It's not ready yet. So, but we'll come back on another video and we'll show you that device. But for now, that's how you can onboard it. And it's very simple, as you could see. I hope you learned something. If you did like this video, hit subscribe. Until next time, peace.